Hello everyone, today I am going to start chapter the fundamental unit of life. In this chapter we will talk about the cell organelles. Cell organelle means organ of the cell, and these cell organelles all these organelles are important for the cell because these cell organelles helps or support the cell for performing its complex activity. Okay, these cell organelles are these organelles are membrane bound structure and they support the cell. Now see the diagram of a cell organelle inside the cell. Children, you can see this is the diagram of plant cell. You can see it's a eukaryotic cell. Okay, you can see this is the nucleus. Outside the nucleus, you can see some tube or sheet-like structure. It is called the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the mitochondria, vacuole, and this is lysosomes, chloroplast. Okay, this is a Golgi apparatus. These are the structure of cell organelles which are present inside the cell and suspended in the cytoplasm. Okay, they all are membrane bound structure. They have membrane. Okay, some have single and some have double membrane. Okay, mostly cell organelles are enclosed in the single membrane, enclosed through the single membrane, but mitochondria and chloroplast both covered with the double membrane. Okay, and children, you know one more thing, all these cell organelles present only in eukaryotes, but they are not present in the prokaryotes. Why? Because eukaryotes have defined nuclear region and nuclear membrane. That's why all these cell organelles present in the eukaryotes, but in prokaryote there is no defined nuclear region. Okay, that's why they are not present there. Clear? And we know cell form all living creatures, and all living creatures perform many functions like respiration, digestion, excretion, circulation, reproduction, and many more functions performed by the living body. Okay, and in the living body, cells perform all take part in all these activity, but cell cannot perform all these function without these cell organelles. Okay, that's why these cell organelles are important for the cell. Important for the cell. So now children, we will study each and every cell organelles one by one in detail. Okay, so move. See the definition of cell organelle. An organelle is a specialized subunit having a specific function within the cell. Yes, all cell organelle have specialized within the cell, and it's have a specific function within the cell. They support the complex activity of the cell. They are the organ of the cell. Each organelle is surrounded by a specific membrane. Yes, they are responsible for the functioning of the cell. Okay, there are several cell organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, vacuoles. Okay, these are the organ of the cell. Plastid is present only in plant cell, but all these cell organelles present in both. Clear? So now we will study about the endoplasmic reticulum in next page. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is found in all living cells except prokaryotes and mature mammalian RBCs. It is not found. Okay, why endoplasmic reticulum called endoplasmic reticulum? Because it form extensive network of tubes and sheets within the cytoplasm. Okay, it form a large network in the cytoplasm or in the cell. Okay, it consists of three principal form: cisternae, vesicles, and tubules. Okay, when you will see the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum in next page, you will you will find the cisternae, vesicles, and tubules. All these structure. Okay, cisternae are the broad, flat, elongated, parallel sacs. Vesicles are spherical in shape. You can see the shape. Tubules are branched, tube-like shape like this. Okay, there's a tube-like structure and a branch also present in the. Okay, next, function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, children, endoplasmic reticulum networks serve as a channel for the transport of various substances, mainly proteins within the cell. Yes, endoplasmic reticulum transport protein molecules within the cell. Okay, because endoplasmic reticulum also help in the manufacturing of protein, fat, and lipid molecules. Okay, so it also provides shape to the cell. Why? because it work like a skeleton, cytoskeleton. Okay, and we know skeleton provide a shape to the cell. Okay, in liver cells, SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum, play a role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a type of endoplasmic reticulum, and it detoxify many poisons and drugs which enter our body through chemical. Rough endoplasm is also a type of endoplasmic reticulum. Its surface has ribosomes and it synthesizes protein for the cell. Okay, children. So now we will see the types of endoplasmic reticulum. Types of endoplasmic reticulum depends upon the presence or absence of ribosomes. If ribosomes are present on endoplasmic reticulum, so it is different type. It will be different type, and it is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are not present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, then it will known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, you can see in this chart divided into two parts, rough and smooth. Rough has ribosomes, smooth doesn't ribosomes. Its surface is rough due to the presence of ribosomes. Yes, when you will see under the electron microscope, you will see same structure. Okay, here you can see uh, endoplasmic reticulum surface has dots, and these dots refers to ribosomes. Means the endoplasmic reticulum surface has the ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes are present, it means it is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see there is no dots, it's a clear part. Okay, no ribosomes is present here, no ribosomes are present here, means it is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and both functions is different to each other. Okay, and one more thing you can see here, the three principal form of endoplasmic reticulum. Cisternae you can see here, tube like structure. You can see tube like structure, they are here tube like structure. They are broad. When you will see under microscope, you will see broad flat structure, broad and flat structure, and form tube like, and all are parallel to each other. Okay, so this type of structure called the cisternae. And next you will see some spherical. In the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, you will see the some spherical structure. This is called the vesicle. Clear? And next you can see the tube like structure in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These are called the tubules. Okay, and both function are different to each other. Now see the function of both. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it manufactures fat or lipid molecules, synthesizing protein and fat that act as enzyme or hormones. Yes, sometimes protein and fat act as enzymes or hormones for the cell, and the synthesizing molecules which is synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum participate in membrane biogenesis. Okay, membrane biogenesis means formation of membrane. Okay, membrane means formation of plasma membrane. It take part. It takes part. Okay, because it manufactured protein, fat, and lipid molecules. Clear? Now see the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough means and ribosomes are present on it. Okay, and this type of endoplasmic reticulum found only in those cells which synthesize protein. Okay, they are found only in those cells. Okay, ribosomes, when ribosomes synthesize protein, that protein sent to different places through the endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? This cell organelle has done. We will see the next cell organelle, which is Golgi apparatus. Children, you can see the next cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. You can see the diagram of Golgi apparatus. Okay, this is a cap like structure. You can see this is a concave surface, and this is a convex surface. Okay, convex surface, and this is a concave surface. It is a deep inside. Okay, this is a concave and this is a convex surface. So convex surface, you can see cis phase, and it is toward the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, this is a concave phase. Clear? And concave phase called the trans phase. Now see the structure. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is a complex of vesicles and tubules. Okay, in this structure you will see vesicles and tubules. Okay, and it is the main assembling factory of the cell, where different raw materials are assembled to get a final shape. Okay, and it is discovered by the Camillo Golgi. Okay, that's why we says it is a Golgi body. Okay, because it is discovered by the Camillo Golgi in 1898. Okay, Golgi body is found in all cells except the prokaryotes, okay, and mature mammalian RBC, same as endoplasmic reticulum, okay. And one more thing, Golgi body is also known as dictyosomes, okay. Golgi body is also known as dictyosomes in plant. Clear? Now see the structure of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus consists of many membrane-bound vesicles and tubes. Many membrane-bound vesicles and tubes. These tubes are almost parallel to each other, called the cisternae. You can see in this diagram, this, and this. These are the tubules. Okay, these are the tubules, and all these are parallel to each other. Okay, it's called the cisternae. These tubules are often connected to endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, these cisternae connected to the endoplasmic reticulum and spread between endoplasmic reticulum and plasma membrane. Okay, these cisternae connected to the endoplasmic reticulum and plasma connected to the endoplasmic reticulum and spread between endoplasmic reticulum till plasma membrane. Clear? Children, see convex face and concave face. Okay, convex means the convex face is characterized by the presence of small vesicles, small transition vesicles or tubules. Okay, here you can see some small vesicles. Okay, these are the transition vesicles. Okay, this surface called the convex surface, where these are present. Okay, and concave face is associated with large number of vesicles of Golgi vacuoles. These vacuoles may give rise to lysosomes. Okay, this surface, concave surface, help in the rise of lysosomes. Okay, lysosomes is the other cell organelle, okay, which are also important for the cell. Okay, so now see the function of the Golgi apparatus. It help in dispatching of material from endoplasmic reticulum to inside or outside the cell. Yes, it dispatch the material which is prepared by endoplasmic reticulum and to inside or outside the cell. It dispatch the material. Clear?